Hello everyone. I'm going to show you in a short little brief tutorial how to edit a discussion. Sometimes students ask me how they can do that. If you haven't ever done it before, this will show you how to do that. So here you are in the discussion for this week, and you just click reply, and let's just say, hi, my name is Deborah Donovan. And let's see, let's just post it. Okay, and let's say I want to go back and edit it and add to it. So I go up here to where these three little dot icons are, and I click on edit, and then I can keep adding to it, or I can just delete the whole thing. And then here, if I want to delete it, let's go here, and it'll say okay, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, email me, okay?